Warm welcome everybody once again here from my little basement-based diecast studio in Bavaria, in Germany. Today's topic, Greenlight. We got two releases from the Hollwood series, which in my opinion is a very cool series from Greenlight. Not too long ago I did an unboxing of this guy here, which is the A-Team van, the GMC Vendora. I put a link in the description below if you want to watch that. Anyways, today we got this guy here, the 1982 GMC K-2500, also known as the Fall Guy truck, and this is the other one, the 1977 Dodge Monaco from the movie The Terminator. And yeah, I would say let's start with this guy here. Bring the camera down a little bit like this. So if this is the first video you are watching on my channel, and if you're not familiar with the brand Greenlight, this brand has a huge variety of cars. Normally they have a lot of details, and normally they come with a metal body, metal base and rubber tires, and you can buy them for a reasonable price. So I paid, I think, €8 for each of these cars. The downside of this brand is often you have some quality issues, and what I want to show you is this. I bought a second one because, I mean, normally I take all of my cars out of their packaging, but sometimes, yeah, I really like the packaging, like in this case, so I ordered two of them, so I keep one in the packaging. And you got a problem when you already can see the issues through the packaging, so I don't know if you can see it. There are some paint chips on the rims. I mean, that's a minor issue, but yeah, I think it's hard to see, but there is some smudge on the windows, and I don't think that you can polish it. I think it's inside. I don't know if it's glue or something. And the same thing here, also these yeah, scratches or paint chips on the wheels, and also some fogged up windows. Anyway, that happens when you are collecting diecasts, destiny of a diecast collector. And that's why I'm doing these real-time unboxings. Sometimes there's a disappointment, and yeah, that's the way it is. Anyways, so let's take a look at this one. As I said, a really nice artwork in my opinion on the packaging. So here it is. As I said, look at the windows. I think it's inside. I guess it's glue or something. And it doesn't look too good. Yeah, that's the way it is. And we have these little paint chips on the rims, which is unfortunate, but it is how it is. So let's go on with the rest. We have a nice police livery, to care and to protect, it says here on the door. Got a really nice front with a lot of details, painted headlights. We got a grille with a lot of texture and details, and a really nice license plate. A light bar on the roof. I'm not really sure if this is a little bent, but it's also a very minor issue. And there are some paint chips on the door, I think. Yeah. I mean, that is the thing with Greenlight. You're so excited about getting your car, and sometimes, yeah, that happens. That's the way it is. Painted taillights, sometimes they do, like they are lens. In this case, it's just paint, but it looks very good. And this one has an opening hood. is also very cool. Look right here. Got a blue engine block. Very nice. As I said, metal body, metal base, and rubber tires. So let's see if this one is a roller. Important for a police car. Yeah, it rolls. Sometimes or often these Greenlight wheels or tires are very hard and wobbly, but they do roll. Not as smooth as Hot Wheels Premium or Mini GTs. Anyways, but I think, all in all, I mean, for a €8 car, diecast car, this is just really cool, besides the quality issues. That's how it is. So, let's go on with this one here, the 1982 GMC K-2500, the Fall Guy truck. I mean, I watched a lot of TV shows or at the end of the 80s, but to be honest, I didn't watch the Fall Guy. This TV show was called in Germany Ein Colt für alle Fälle, if you are interested in some trivia right here on the channel. So, yeah. I didn't notice any issues through the plastic, so I hope this one is okay. Also very heavy, like the other one. See, I think the windows are quite okay. Let's take a look at the front. We got this huge push bar with a kind of auxiliary lights or fog lights. What does this say? Super off-roader. It's hard to see. You can see the GMC badge on the detailed grille, and below there is a Fall Guy license plate, which is also very cool. And this is very nice, the Fall Guy logo with the eagle on the hood. Very nice livery, golden brown. Also a Fall Guy license plate on the back, painted taillights. Yeah, so this one is also very nice. Let's take a look at the base. This one also has a metal base, and let's take a look at the production number. It's 1541. I forgot to tell you the number on this guy here. It's very hard to see, but it says 2723. So let's see if this one is a roller. Oh, this rolls quite good. Very nice. So, that's it for today. If you did like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say thanks for watching, happy hunting, see you next time, bye.